Welcome to another Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. In this video, I will guide you through creating and editing sequences in Adobe Premiere Pro. Whether you are just starting out or you are an experienced editor looking to refine your skills, this tutorial is perfect for you. There are two methods for creating a sequence, automatic and manual. Let's dive into each method. Open Adobe Premiere Pro and import your media files. Drag and drop your media file directly onto the timeline. That's it. An automatic sequence is created for you. If you drag and drop multiple clips at once, the automatic sequence will be created based on the first clip you added. To edit the sequence, navigate to the top menu and select Sequence. Choose Sequence Settings from the drop-down menu. Here, you can adjust various settings like frame rate, sequence, name, and more according to your needs. Instead of dragging media files into the timeline, go to the File menu on the top and select New, then Sequence, or else simply press the Ctrl+N shortcut key. Configure the new sequence settings to match your desired specifications and click OK. Now you can drag and drop your media files into the newly created sequence. If there is a mismatch between your media file settings and the sequence settings, a pop-up will appear. You will be given the options to adjust the sequence settings to match the media or keep the existing settings. For my personal workflow, import media files first, then drag them onto the timeline to create an automatic sequence. If adjustments are needed, I'll go to sequence and sequence settings to make the necessary changes. If you are interested in learning how to adjust sound levels for background music, I recommend check out this video. For more tips and step-by-step guides on Adobe Premiere Pro, don't forget to explore the complete playlist on this channel.